Hey guys, welcome to Lakeshore RV. My name is Jimmy. Today I'm going to be showing you guys the Prowler 256 RL priced at $29,797, starting at $241 a month. We offer nationwide financing as well as delivery to your door. If you guys have any questions for me, just give me a call at 616-402-9965 or give the store a call at 231-788-2040 and ask for Jimmy. Or you guys can check us out at lakeshore-rv.com. All right guys, let's go on inside and check it out. Here we are guys inside of the Prowler 256 RL. Imagine you and your significant other on your favorite campground overlooking the beautiful scenery. The best thing about this trailer is that it can be towed by any half-ton truck that can pull over 7,600 pounds. Again, we do offer nationwide financing, and if you have any questions, give me a call at 616-402-9965 or give the store a call at 231-788-2040 and ask for Jimmy. And don't forget to visit us at lakeshore-rv.com.